Good morning. Today I am going to teach about the imperfections or defect in crystalline solid. What is defect in crystalline solid? The deviation of ordered arrangement from in a crystalline solid, that is when in a crystalline solid when the constituent particles are not present in a regular manner, then that type of some defect is arises, and such type of defect is known as imperfection, or the solid is said to be imperfected solid. Now the imperfections or defect in crystalline solid are mainly of two types. Line defect, when the imperfection are present along or throughout a row in a crystalline solid, then that type of defect is known as line defect. Now point defect. What is point defect? When the irregularity is present only at a particular point in a lattice is called the point defect. Point defect are further classified into three types: stoichiometric defect, non-stoichiometric defect, and impurity defect. Stoichiometric defect. When stoichiometric defect is also known as intrinstic defect or thermodynamic defect. In stoichiometric defect, the stoichiometry of the solid do not disturb. Stoichiometric defect are further classified into four types. Number one is vacancy defect. Number two is the interstitial defect. Number three is the Frankel defect, and fourth one is the Schottky defect. Vacancy defect and interstitial defect occurs in non-ionic solid. In non-ionic solid, if a constituent particle or constituent element is missing from their lattice site, then that type of defect is known as vacancy defect. Number two is the interstitial defect. In interstitial defect, interstitial defect arises due to presence of an extra element or extra constituent particle in the interstitial site. As a result of interstitial defect, the density of the solid increases. Both vacancy defect as well as interstitial defect occurs in non-ionic solid. The third one, stoichiometric defect, is the Frankel defect. What is Frankel defect? Shifting of ion, cation, preferably cation, from their lattice site to interstitial site is called the Frankel defect. As a result of Frankel defect, the density of the solid remain constant. The D1 or the fourth one is the Schottky defect. Missing of ion, pair of ion, both cation as well as anion from their lattice site is known as Schottky defect. As a result of Schottky defect, the density of the solid decreases. Both Frankel defect as well as Schottky defect occurs in the ionic solid. The second type of point defect is non-stoichiometric defect. When the proportion of element or the constituent particles in a crystalline solid is not according to their stoichiometric proportion, then a defect arises is known as non-stoichiometric defect. The non-stoichiometric defect can be further classified into metal excess defect and metal deficiency defect. In metal excess defect, a extra metal cation is present at the interstitial site and the corresponding electron is present to the next interstitial site. Such type of defect is known as metal excess defect. Due to presence of metal excess defect, the density of the solid increases. And now the second one, non-stoichiometric defect, is metal deficiency defect. In metal deficiency defect, such type of defect arises due to absence of metal ion according to in their lattice site or the interstitial site. Such type of defect is known as metal deficiency defect. As a result of metal deficiency defect, the density of the solid decreases. The third one point defect is impurity defect. In in such type of point defect, the defect arises due to presence of impurity in the lattice site or in the interstitial site. So, for example, suppose in molten sodium chloride, if some strontium chloride is also present, then some of the lattice site of sodium ion is replaced by strontium ion during solidification, and one strontium ion will be replaced by two sodium ion. Then the one side will be occupied by strontium ion and another side will remain vacant. Such type of defect, due to such type of defect, the vacancy may arises. Thank you.